It's been a while, but new updates on what's been going on in the stock market. A different way I'll be diving into everything that's happening is through this application called FinViz, Financial Visualizations. It's a great way to kind of look through the market. It doesn't look condensed, but this is really a condensed version of everything that you need to really look at, and everything that holds real value and whatnot. As you go to this part right here, the maps, you can see right here it's kind of a legend almost, but it's a way you can look at it. You can choose whether or not you want to look at it from the past week, month, 3 months. Really, you can look at the P to E, all that stuff, dividend yield, analysis recommendations, earnings day performance. It's good stuff. It's a really great application to track when or when not to get into something and just to stay updated. So let's look at it from the past week. We're seeing a lot of red right here, especially in the technology area, due to the fact we import so much technology from China and eastern areas. Let's go up to Microsoft. Microsoft has also been down as expected. Oracle, Palantir's up. Seems like they're always up. CrowdStrike Holdings. Palantir is also up because they're a domestic company. Palantir is the defense company that uses AI and some of their stuff, which is, software, but they're getting contracts from the U.S. government, Department of Defense. So, okay, consumer defense. Walmart. Seeing a lot of green over here as, people are buying domestic products. Financial, okay, Visa, MasterCard, all of this is up. It's pretty good stuff. Okay, scroll down a little bit. You can also see right here is a legend. This shade of green determines where its percentage increase lies. So the light green is going to indicate a large, oh my, Lilly, Eli & Co. That's, wow, that's a big increase. The darker shade of green is a slight increase. Exxon. Oh, okay. Oil and gas seeing a increase. Wow, it's huge. Schlumberger. Let's see what else. Baker Hughes. A lot of good stuff going on over here. We do see Amazon, Tesla, General Motors is up, so is Ford. Home Depot is sort of breaking even. Alright. Well, that's good for that. I don't know why I closed that out. Let's look at something else real quick that I have. Pull up my notes. Alright, now that I have my notes, okay. So, alright, so the S&P is over the past week, they've taken a 1.5% hit. Dow Jones down 2.7%, NASDAQ down 2.7%, Russell 2000 up 1%. Some of the key drivers in these specific hits and the slight increase in the Russell is due to the markets remaining volatile due to ongoing trade tensions. President Trump's April 2nd Liberation Day includes a 10% global import tax and a 120% levy on Chinese goods, sparking significant market sell-offs. Despite the 90-day pause on some tariffs, uncertainty still persists, which is rightly so. You can get this from the Business Insider and a few others. It's a great place to get information. All right, corporate earnings. United Health Group's 22.4% plunge. Now we can look at United Health Group somewhere in here. Healthcare. United Health Group, look, down 23%, which is not good at all. There's a fly in my room, which is not really good at all, especially in this time of the year. Elevate Health. It's Johnson & Johnson. Okay. Wonder if Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson are anywhere in here. Anyways, that's really good. All right. Gold prices climbed above 3,300 pounds, reflecting investor caution. It's a pretty basic thing. The price of gold increases when you're nearing up on recession. All right, now let's do our stock of the day. All right. Okay, so next topic is going to be Texas Stock Exchange. This is the stock exchange that's going to be opening up in Dallas, 2026 to be specific. If you wanted to list your trade, wow, it's such a great thing for Dallas, specifically Texas. It's legitimizing the markets that we have down here. It's going to legitimize some of the markets we have down here, and it's cementing Texas in the big players range. Really, outside of New York, you don't have a stock exchange in America, so this is pretty big. This will probably also insanely drive up the, not cost of living, but everyone's gonna want to live in Dallas. Probably Highland Park, some of the nicer areas are gonna become the new. I mean, North. It's gonna be very good. It was already good before. This will only increase Texas's foothold in the finance world, really. It raised $160 million in capital. Companies BlackRock, Charles Schwab, and NASDAQ. It's big. Something to keep your eye on for sure. And yep, that's all we got for today, really. The FinViz, if we wanted to look at it from the world, we can go look at what China's doing. And it's just a great thing to look at. You wanted to look at France. France is down here somewhere. Here we are. It's great to play with, really. Just familiarize yourself with some of the more prominent Western European countries. Canada's doing amazing, it seems. But It's good stuff. All right.